All right, boys and girls, if we were at school today, we would have started talking about fractions in Unit 5. You're going to find that fractions become a very important part of your math experience. As you can see, the definition of fraction means it names a part or a whole. And this worksheet here in front of me shows multiple ways of writing fractions as pictures. And I'm going to go through with you and teach you how to identify different parts and wholes. This first circle is represented as 1/2. And as you can see, half of it is actually shaded. And the numbers we're looking for are the shaded parts. Now, a fraction number is broken up into two parts. The top number is called a numerator. The bottom number is called a denominator. And growing up, I would always remember that ND stood for Notre Dame, numerator, denominator, or something that is important to you. So the numerator here is 1, and the denominator is 2. The denominator talks about the whole pieces. There are 2 pieces here. The top number, the numerator, shows how many are shaded. So in this case, 1 piece is shaded out of 2 pieces. In the second circle, you can see that out of 4 pieces, the denominator would be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is shaded. So your numerator would be 1. In this fraction, you can see that 1 piece is shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So our numerator here would be 1, and our denominator would be 2. Now to break it up a little bit, I'm going to shade in this one too. And as you can see, we have 3 pieces altogether. So I'm going to put my denominator as 3, and 2 of them are shaded. So it's pretty easy. Right here, there is 1 piece out of 2 that are shaded. So again, the numerator is the shaded part, and the denominator, is the 2 parts. It's the whole, broken up into whole pieces. Now this one you can't see very well, but I'm going to go ahead and shade in another one. If you were to count how many pieces are shaded, there are 1, 2, so that goes on top, out of how many there are altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of 8 pieces, 2 are shaded. So I would read that, 2 out of 8. Now you may have seen some of these written in a different way, but this is 1 out of 3. Sometimes you can see it written as 1 out of 3. But it's very important to know that it's read the exact same way. This is the numerator, and this is the denominator. This is the piece, this is the whole. Now, I'm going to go over a little bit of a worksheet that you will have something similar, but not the exact same. As you can see, number 1, I'm going to count how many there are altogether first. I'm going to find the denominator first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. And out of that 7, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shaded. Let me do number 2 with you, and then I'll go down to the bottom. There are 1, 2, 3 pieces, and out of the 3 pieces, 2 of them are shaded. Pretty easy. So 2 out of 3 pieces are shaded. Now down here at the bottom, it's going to ask you to shade the figure with the indicated fraction. So There are 6 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of this 6, you need to shade 3. So I'm going to go ahead and shade 1, 2, 3. They can be side by side or spread throughout, but 3 of the pieces need shaded. On number 12, there are 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's our denominator. And we need to color 5 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very easy. So this is not your exact lesson. You will have a different paper. I just use this one as an example. But you're going to open up or get out your paper that I have given you. You're going to complete this page, take a picture, and go back to My Big Campus and attach it to the assignment you can find on your schoolwork. If you have any questions, email me.